Hello my friends, welcome to What's in My Boo Bag. This is a awesome collaboration hosted by Jennifer of Scrapbooks and Memories and Martha of Martha Makes Art. So we were tasked to create a boo bag and share with you what we stuffed inside of it. So here's the front of my boo bag. I used one of my Gothic Girl tags that I had already made. I did a very small collage down here. I put a strip of trim here with an earring. And here you can see two more earrings with feathers and gems and chains. Hopefully you can see that. I hope I have my lighting bright enough for you. And then I have the matching earring right here. So I like that side. I think that came together well. So on the back side, I was a little bit more relaxed about it because the other side is the primary side. But what I did is I have a piece of my gel plate paper here and just added a leaf. This is a picture from my kit of Gothic Girls. This as well as one of the cut-aparts. I added a pumpkin and some fabric, and then I did some rub-on stickers. So we have a spider and a tombstone, a bird, a mouse, some feathers, a book, another spider. So just sort of had fun doing a little collage. So now let's have a look and see what's inside. But before we see what's inside, I need to make sure that I mention to you guys that there are many collaborators in this collaboration. So please be sure to check my description box so that you can hop around and see everybody's videos and everybody's boo bags. Oh, and I wanted to mention too that I created this bag by using, and I might have sort of mentioned it, but I glued two pieces of paper together. One was a piece of scrapbook paper. You can see it here with my gel print on the back. And then this was another piece of my gel print made by Amazon paper. So I just simply glued it around the edges to create a bag. All right, so first we have our little bag that says Give Thanks. And inside of that bag we have two tea bags. One is ginger honey and the other is salted caramel. Next we have a hidden paper clip. So this is the hidden paper clip. This is the first side of it right here, and there's a little bit of lace. Let me take it off for you so you can see it. And this is also from my Gothic Girls. I had made some things last month for that collaboration, and I thought I would use those inside of the boo bag. And here's the other side. And so what I clipped together were three pieces of art that I made while I was sheltering from Hurricane Milton. And Andrew and I went to the stairwell and we created artwork. So these are some of the pieces that I made. Now this is a envelope that's handmade, and I made this on, I do believe I made this on a live. My brain is still a little bit fuzzy from everything that's been going on lately, so my memory actually is not working properly, so I just need a little bit more time for recovery, and then I'm sure I'll be back to normal. But I love this envelope because it's part of the kit that I made, but I wrapped it with this twine, as you can see, and I wrapped this side as well. And I put lace, and there's this fun cut apart, and then when you open it up, it's double-sided, so the inside is just as pretty, and you can see it's a window envelope. Well, let's see what's inside here. Let's move these out, and you can see here that it's a window envelope. And I put a lot of flat backs on here and decorated it up real good. So inside of that, I stuffed this little tiny, what do we call this, manila folder. It's a mini, as you can see, and it opens up, and I just put two flower-shaped die cuts in it in neutral colors so they can be turned into anything. But I thought with fall coming up, that might be fun for somebody to play with. And then here's a little bit of a larger index card, and you guys might have seen me make these on one of my videos, but this says Shine Like the Stars, and I hand drew some stars and then put some flat back pearls, and inside of that is a little sparkly leaf. So my friends, this is what is in my boo bag. I hope you like everything. I hope that you thought this was fun. And please be sure to hop around and check out everybody's videos. Like I said, there's a lot of collaborators in this one, and it's just a lot of fun. So check them out. Thanks for watching. See you soon.